Hey guys, it's Lucy here from Fun Keys. Today we're going to be learning the part 2 tutorial of Coffin dance or Astronomia. Okay, so stay tuned to learn that. But at the end, we also have a challenge for you guys, so make sure you stick around for that. Okay, let's get started.
Welcome to Fun Keys for Kids, piano and music lessons.
So let's learn the chords of Coffin dance, also known as Astronomia. So the first chord that we're going to be looking at, and just as a note, we are all in the bass clef here using our left hand, so we should be below middle C. So we're going to be playing a D chord, a D major chord to start with. Now a D major chord is made up of the notes D, F sharp and A. So you put those three together, it sounds a little bit like this. And that's our first chord, D, F sharp, A. If you're struggling to find the F sharp, just find F and then go to the black key, which is to the right of it, just above it, and there's your F sharp. So D, F sharp, A, that's our first chord. The next chord we've got, all you have to do is move up one note each to find an E major chord. So the notes in an E major chord are E, G sharp, and B. Again, if you're struggling to find the G sharp, you just find G and then go to the black key above it or to the right of it. And that's your G sharp. So we've got E, G sharp, B. Yep, following so far? Remember, if not, you can pause this video, rewind, go back as many times as you need to help understand. So the first chord we've got is D major, D, F sharp, A. Then we move to E major, E, G sharp, B. And then our final chord is an F sharp minor chord, but it's not in its root position, so the F sharp isn't at the bottom. We've actually got the C sharp at the bottom. So we're playing C sharp, F sharp, and A. Again, if you're struggling to find the C sharp, just find C and then go to the right of it to the nearest black note, which is here. So C, C sharp. So our F sharp minor chord has got the C sharp in the bottom, then the F sharp, then the A. And then we repeat that chord again. So if we put that all together, we've got a D major chord, an E major chord, and an F sharp minor chord, which is repeated twice. And then it goes back to the beginning. And that's all it does, guys. That is the left hand chords, okay? So in a second, I will show you how to put them hand together with the right hand. But just a little bit of extra information, if you're struggling on the rhythm or you're not sure how to play it, all you have to do is count to 4 for each chord because they are semi-breves, so they're held for 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it. That is how to play the left hand of Coffin dance, otherwise known as Astronomia. Okay, stay tuned. We're going to put hands together now. Okay, let's have a go at putting those hands together. So guys, it's super simple. So we've already learnt the melody in our previous video. If you haven't watched that, it's in our description to this video. And once you've got it, you can now put it with the left hand that we just learned. So what happens is the right hand comes in with the first 4 quavers. And then your left hand joins in on the F sharp. Changes on the G sharp here. Then changes again on the F sharp. And then you repeat that bar. Then you continue with the quaver bit in the second section. Change chord. And again. Then you go out to the beginning. And that's that. That's how you put hands together. Again, if you're not sure, you need to go over something again, just pause this video, rewind it, slow it down, whatever you need to do. You can do that. Okay, so now we're going to be moving on to our challenge time. So what I want you guys to do is try and play along with me at full speed, hands together. Let's see if we can do it. We'll start first with a slightly slower speed, and then we'll speed it up to the normal tempo. Okay, here we go after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Let's try round 2 now. So this is going to be at full speed, a little bit quicker. Let's give it a go. Ready? After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you do it? Yay! If you didn't, don't worry, keep practicing it, okay? That's what practice is for, and that's what these videos are for, is to help you learn and get better. Great job, guys! Fabulous work! Let us know how you get on in the comments below. How did you find the challenge? Was it tricky? Did you do it? Congratulations if you did, and if not, keep practicing. That's what this video is for. Well done. Okay, so we are finished for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this tutorial, give us a like, a comment, subscribe to our channel, and click that notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this helped, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye!
Want to teach your kids piano and music at home? Well, you can. Buy our Fun-Keys flashcards for nursery kids and for school kids. You can also join one of our courses if you check out our website. Follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn.